Alright, so right here is your RAM shield. You're gonna see these clips right here. Right there. Do not bend those back because they're not supposed to be bent back. But anyway, all you gotta do is just take a card, come in on this side right here, and just pry it up, and it'll just literally pop on out. Also, you want to make sure that you disconnect your battery whenever you're trying to change things to your laptop as far as taking things off. All right, so once you have the card that you want to use, just take it right there, and then just lift straight up. Now on each side, you're gonna have retaining clips right there, one right here, and then one over there. So all you gotta do is just pull that over to the side, pull this over to the side, and then your RAM slot will come on up like that. Do not pull this back farther. Just let that bad boy do like it's doing. It's not about to come straight up. Alright, so once you get your other RAM, as you can see, here it is right here, 16 gigs. We're going to be going to the good old beautiful 32 gigs from the 16 gigs stock. All you got to do is set your RAM aside for a second, and then you just simply pull this outwards. Boom, it slips straight out. And then you just take the new RAM and just slide it in and then lock it back in place. Alright, so now that you have it slotted in, all you have to do is just push it back. You'll hear it click. Well, and there you have it. It is in there. It is seated perfectly. Delicioso. Now you just do the next over here. Pop that out. Pop this other retaining clip back. Slide it out. Slide that in to where it's supposed to go. You can tell it looks just like that, except for the sticker is up top. And then you just simply press down. And usually when you press one down, the other side will go ahead and click into place as well. And there you have it. A good thing you can do is also with the old RAM, put that inside of the actual, hard to do this one hand, put this in the case that you got the other one out of. So therefore you can keep it all together and don't lose and don't damage it. You may need this for a future situation. So now that you have your old RAM in the cases your new RAM came in, you just want to simply drop the shield back on top. I had to cut the camera because it's not that easy to do with one hand for me, so you just want to make sure you line it up and just drop it straight down and then power on your PC. Alright, now time to power it on. Keep in mind the first boot up could possibly take longer than usual because it's got some new hardware inside of that bad boy, but we'll see. And there you have it. Now let's check and make sure everything's working properly. And there you have it over there. It says we're using 3.5 out of 31.9 gigs of RAM, and everything's moving like it's supposed to be. Over there you see it says 32. So everything is working perfectly fine, and that is how you upgrade your RAM in your laptop, buddy boy.